Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing the original Infinix charger and a good USB-C cable. This is the only guaranteed path to fast charge. Once done, make sure the phone battery is above 5% and switch to airplane mode to cut background drain. Close all power-hungry apps and set screen brightness low. These steps allow the charger to deliver maximum current to the battery quickly, instead of fighting a loaded system. Plug the cable firmly into both the charger and your Infinix Smart 8. A loose connection prevents proper power negotiation. You should see the fast charge icon or an 18W indicator within seconds. If it appears, the charger and phone have agreed on higher current. While charging, keep the phone on a cool surface and avoid cases that trap heat, because heat forces the phone to throttle charging speed. Make sure to use a wall out. When the battery reaches about 80–90%, you can unplug to preserve long-term health, or finish to 100% if needed immediately. If fast charging never engaged, first reboot the phone, then swap to the original charger and cable. Inspect the USB-C port for lint or damage. If problems persist, install any pending system updates and try another certified 18W charger. Often a software or connector issue blocks negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.